Now let's go to Pia Bonalo. She's at the resort in Antipolo City. Good morning, Pia.
Amelin, the summer days are getting hotter and hotter as the sun is making its presence absolutely felt. And if the rainbow behind me isn't enough to invite you here to Antipolo, maybe finding out what this resort has to offer will do just the trick. With me is Janice Valera of Bosay Resort to tell us all about it. Hi, good morning, Miss Janice.
Morning.
Ilan po bang pools ang makikita dito sa Bosay Resort and Hotels?
We have 7 public pools and then we have 3 private pools. So in all, we have 10 pools.
10 pools in all. Meron po kayong mga guidelines para po sa mga taong magsuswimming po sa mga pool ninyo?
Yes, ma'am. We do require for the 4 pools, the wave, Olympic, disco ball, and then the storm wave, you have to wear trunks and then swimsuit. But for the other pools, you have to wear white t-shirts and then garterized shorts.
Can you tell me about the disco pool? Ano po ba yung makikita sa pool na yon?
Yeah, disco pool, kakaiba po yun. Sa gabi, doon po open yung sounds and light, doon po makita yung view. And then sa umaga, doon lang po, indoor swimming lang siya. Allowed yung kids kasi po, hindi naman siya Pag sa gabi po, 18 and above lang po yung po pwede pumasok po.
Ilang feet po yung pool na yon, yung disco pool?
4 feet flat.
So pwedeng-pwede sa mga kids. So sa pagsagabi, ano sabi niyo po? May view? May ano pong makikita?
Doon po kasi, as in disco, sounds and light. And then may area siya, pwede sa swimming pool, pwede sa, may parang lang siya, a floor for dancing.
And then right beside the disco pool, meron din tayong Olympic-sized pool. Can you tell me more about that naman po?
Olympic pool, lalim po niya is 4 feet to 6 feet. So, allowed din po yung kids. And then, we have, diver sa gilid. Yun po.
And then, meron din tayong mga infinity pools. Ay, pakikwento po, ano po yung meron sa mga infinity pools natin? Dalawa po ito?
Yes po, infinity pool, allowed din po dun yung kids kasi may 2 feet siya. So, pwede yung mga kids doon. Yun nga lang kailangan po, require ng proper attire, trunks, and then swimsuit. And then sa bandang taas, doon po yung pwede yung adults. And then may slide din po siya.
May slide. Ano naman po yung view doon? Because of course, this is Antipolo and medyo mataas siya. And kapag sabi mong infinity pool, aside from the experience of nasa pool ka, you want to see the view. Ano po ang view doon?
Yes, unique, the unique walls. And then, yun po, may dalawang slide. Pwede yung adults and then yung, pwede rin po yung mga kids. Yes, sir.
And then, aside from that, syempre merong iba na gusto talagang mag-explore dito sa Bosay and they want to stay overnight. Ano-ano po mga cottages ang available dito?
Yes, ma'am, we have hotel rooms and then we also have VIP rooms na pwede doon yung pwede rin po yung family. Yun nga lang po, pag may mga cottages po tayo para sa food and drinks.
Ayun, para sa mga gusto naman day trip lang or kunwari sa gabi lang, tas aalis din kagad. Para po sa mga cottages natin, ano po yung mga allowed na dalhin ng mga tao?
Yung food, soft drinks, okay lang. But we have additional charges sa alak and then sa mga electrical appliances. Yun.
So, pwede po ba sila magdala na kunwari dito sila magluluto? Kasi syempre, ihaw-ihaw yan kapag nandito sa mga resort.
Pwede ma'am kasi provided naman po yung ihawan per cottages meron po.
And then dito naman is the very unique, what we have here is the storm wave pool. Ano naman po ang storm wave pool?
So yung storm wave pool, ito po yung first in the Philippines. And then lalim po niya is hanggang 7 feet. Tapos umabot siya hanggang 8 feet pag open yung wave. Kasi hanggang 2 feet umabot yung tubig.
Okay, aside from the wave, ang napansin ko, parang may fountain na ano naman po yan?
It's just additional attraction for guests, yes, sa mga customers.
Ayan, para nafe-feel mo talaga, as you said, it was a storm wave para talaga you feel the drizzle of the rain. And of course, additional bonus nga, there's also a nice rainbow behind us. Pero for those who are concerned about safety, lalo na kapag magdadala sila ng bata, how safe is it naman po para sa kanila?
Yes po, anyway, we have, pagpasok pala po may mga guidelines and may mga po tayo, may mga guards, safe naman po, may mga robbing guards tayo. Tapos sa safety naman po, okay naman po, safe naman po yung place.
May mga lifeguards po tayo each pool.
Yes po.
Okay, great. Thank you for sharing this with us, Miss Janice.
Yes, ma'am, thank you din po.
There you have it. For those of you who want to experience something new this summer, maybe it's time to check out the Storm Wave Pool and all the other amenities here in Bosay Resort. Jing, Amelin.
Thanks, Pia.